Hey everybody, so today I got the Beard Hedger from Manscaped, and this one was sent over to me to review. I'm kind of bummed because I actually did a whole video a couple days ago, and I trimmed my beard, I even attempted to shave my head, and then I found that the audio was off. All right, now personally, I do love that this one raises up quite a bit higher compared to all the other trimmers that I do have. And for those that are wondering, yes, I did do it. Don't know if it works for me. It might be growing back. Anyway, this does have a decent amount of power. I can't remember the exact runtime on a charge. I'll see if I find that answer and I'll just put it up on the screen for it. But I do know that you can use this several times before you have to charge it. Now, like I showed you, the angle is going to make a difference as well. So if you do the angle this way, you're going to have a little bit more of a gap, a little bit more length. And if you do it this way, it's going to be a lot closer. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to have much that we'll be able to trim now. A little bit. But anyway, if you are looking for a decent beard trimmer that you can also take with you, it's rechargeable. This thing actually works very well.